Looking for the best gaming PC build you can get for $1,000 this September? We've got you covered with a well-balanced setup that delivers excellent performance without draining your wallet. Stick around to see how we put together this killer rig and why each part was chosen. Let's kick things off with the most exciting part of this build, the graphics card. We went with the ASUS Dual RTX 5060 Ti 16GB, and let me tell you, this thing is a beast for 1080p and even 1440p gaming. Thanks to the new GDDR7 memory and solid cooling solution, it's not just powerful, it stays cool and quiet too. Compared to older cards like the 4060 Ti 8GB, this one comes out ahead with double the VRAM and more bandwidth, which means better performance in modern games and future titles. It also handles ray tracing and DLSS 4 features like a champ. If you're building a gaming PC right now, this is the GPU you want. Make sure to check out the product links in the description for the latest deals. Now powering the heart of the system is the Intel Core i5-12400F. It's a fan favorite for a reason. With 6 strong performance cores, it delivers excellent frame rates in all the latest games and keeps up with the GPU without a sweat. Even though it's not the newest chip on the market, it still offers top-tier value, especially for gaming. Plus, skipping integrated graphics helps save a few bucks, money we use to get a stronger GPU. If you're enjoying this breakdown, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more builds and guides like this one. And hey, give this video a like if you think this build hits the sweet spot. To tie everything together, we chose the ASUS Prime B760 Plus D4 motherboard. It's got everything you need for a smooth and stable build. Support for fast DDR4 memory, 3 M2 slots for your storage, and a PCIe 5 slot for future upgrades. The board also features a reliable VRM design and solid cooling, which means you're not just set for today's performance, you're also set for future upgrades without needing to swap motherboards. Memory is where you don't want to cut corners. For this build, we're using 32GB of Viper Steel DDR4 at 3200MHz. That's more than enough for any modern game, plus plenty of headroom for multitasking, streaming, and creative work. This 2-stick setup also runs in dual channel, which helps maximize performance. Fast storage? Check. We're using a 1TB Kingston NV3 NVMe SSD, which gives you speedy load times, quick boot ups, and enough space for your OS, favorite games, and files. It's reliable, affordable, and fits perfectly into this value-focused build. To keep our CPU cool and running smoothly, we're going with the ID Cooling SE224XDS. It's a budget-friendly air cooler that punches above its weight with great thermal performance and low noise levels, perfect for keeping the 12400F under control even during longer gaming sessions. Our power source is the MSI Mag A650GL, a 650-watt 80+ gold certified PSU. It delivers clean and efficient power with plenty of headroom for this system and even a future GPU upgrade. Fully modular cables also make cable management easier, keeping your case clean and airflow optimized. Finally, let's talk about the case. We picked the GAMDIAS Aura GC1EA, a sleek ATX mid-tower with a tempered glass side panel and mesh front for excellent airflow. It looks sharp, it's easy to build in, and it keeps your components cool. A solid choice for gamers who want performance and style. And that wraps up our balanced $1,000 gaming PC build for September 2025. Every component here was chosen for maximum value and performance without compromise. Check the description below for all the product links and latest prices. If this build helped you out or gave you some ideas for your own setup, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next one.